Meigs County Railroad with you again. Hi, friends and neighbors. Let's see what the mailman brought us. First of all, I've got some insides for the power plant I'm going to build one of these days. This has got the turbine and the generators and the overhead cranes, and it's going to be great. Hope to get that built. I got two of them. Now, what else do we have here? Okay. Union Pacific track cleaning car. I've seen pluses and minuses about these. Some people love them and some people hate them. There may be better ways to do it, but so far I've found they work really great. If I have one of these on each one of my trains, it'll keep the track clean. This is a Union Pacific, and underneath it's got a track cleaning pad that rides on the tracks. And you can replace these when they get dirty. That's a really good idea. Next of all, I have a CSX track cleaning car. I've already got one of these. I got so many trains, I need some more. I wish they made an L&N track cleaning car, or a Southern. And this pad, you can see, this pad came loose. I'm gonna have to tighten it up, but you can kind of see how they come off. Got two screws holding it on there, so I can tighten them up, but that's how you replace them. CSX track cleaning car. By the way, all this is HO. Okay, one more car came. Let's see what it is. CSX hopper. Where I work, I help unload the coal cars, and they come in there 110, 120 cars in a train. Takes hours and hours to unload them things. This is a CSX hopper car. Don't have to put coal in it. I guess you could put gravel in it, or just any kind of thing. You wouldn't want to put grain or anything in it because the top's open. But any kind of rocks would be okay. So that's a CSX hopper. Okay, so that's what we've got for Meigs County Railroad today. I don't have really time to run them around the track right now. I'll do that a little bit later, but at least the mailman brought me some stuff to do. Now y'all be well, and we'll see you next time.